We have a snake in the chicken coop and Asa is coming to save the day because I do not mess with snakes. Oh my gosh. See? Is it?
Striking the crap out of the stick.
Got a little chicken over there just trying to lay some eggs. And a snake over here trying to eat them. Oh.
He's spitting up something.
Probably the eggs. See his head?
No. That sucker is strong.
Or in the chicken?
He's probably about a 5.5 foot snake.
You got his head?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're caught now.
Asa is my permanent snake getter because he knows I don't mess with a snake. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, he done made a bunch of eggs. I'll take him somewhere.
Somewhere far away from the chicken coop. Ooh. Please don't do that. Please, 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 please. Oh my God.
Like, you want to pet him?
Yeah.
You want to pet him?
Yeah. What's that?
Pet him.
He's like this. Look. He's like.
Creed, you want to see it?
Yeah. Oh, let's get the eggs now.
Is that them right there?
Mm-hmm. All the way from here to...
Tell Asa thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.